Don't forget seasons in building your wardrobe, in building your work wardrobe essentials. You want to make sure that during the warm season, you're wearing shades that are vibrant. During the cold season, you're wearing. First things first, you need to understand the dress code at your new job. Yes. Is it business formal? Is it business casual? Or a little more laid back? Now, the key here is to do some research. Do some research, check the company's website, check their social media platform for guidance, or seek your HR contact for some guidance. Now, in doing this, it will help you to align your wardrobe choices with the company's culture. And trust me, it will make you feel more at ease on your first day. Now, let's talk about pants. A good pair of pants is the foundation of a professional wardrobe. I recommend starting with tailored trousers because they are versatile and they can be dressed up or dressed down depending on your top. Another great choice is a pair of chinos. They are a bit more relaxed, but they are still polished. And of course, straight leg pants are a classic that never goes out of style. But when it comes to choosing pants, the key feature to look out for is the fit and comfort. When choosing pants, focus on fit and comfort because you don't want to be fidgeting with your clothes all day. You don't want to be distracted on your first day. So ensure that your choice of clothing are well fitted and very comfortable. Make sure they fit well around your waist and your hips. And when it comes to colors, when it comes to choosing colors for your outfits, it's safe to stick to neutral colors like black, beige, navy, and gray. These colors are easy to mix and match with the rest of your wardrobe. They're easy to mix and match with other type of outfits. Now let's move on to those timeless pieces every professional should have in their closet. Think of these as the building blocks of your work wardrobe. A crisp white button-down shirt is a must. It's clean, it's classic, it goes with everything. And another essential you must have is a well-fitted blazer. It's perfect for those days you want to attend a meeting or you want to look a bit more formal. And let's not forget those classic, simple pencil skirts. They are essentials that you must have in your wardrobe. A classic pair of heels, low or high heels, depending on your choice or what makes you feel comfortable and confident. These things lift your outfit and it's safe to stick to neutral colors. And when it comes to accessories, keep it simple, keep it elegant. A sleek watch, a classic stylish scarf, a sleek dainty wristwatch can really pull your outfits together without being too flashy or without doing too much. Now, if you're looking to make your mornings much easier, consider creating and building a capsule wardrobe. We've all heard that several times. What is a capsule wardrobe? A capsule wardrobe is a small collection of pieces of clothes that you can mix and match together to create a variety of outfits. Now it's more about the quality than the quantity. All right. And to make your mornings much more easier, it's best you plan your outfits the previous day before the morning of your work. So it makes you prepare well and you're well prepared and you are more at ease. Focus on versatile items that you can wear in different combinations. And trust me, you would always have something to wear no matter the occasion. And don't forget seasons in building your wardrobe, in building your work wardrobe essentials. You want to make sure that during the warm season, you're wearing shades that are vibrant. During the cold season, you're wearing earthy tones as they are calm. And you might need to swap some of this fabric, some of these items as the weather changes. You have to put into consideration. You have to put into consideration outfits, the fabrics that are breathable and outfits for warmth. But the key here is to have a core set of items that work year round. Let's talk shopping. You don't need to break the bank in order to build a professional wardrobe. Look out for budget-friendly options and don't shy away from second-hand stores or thrifts. Detailing is important. Being able to mix and match and put things together, maintenance is important. You really can find great pieces, great options without spending a fortune. Tailoring is also a game changer. Affordable clothes can look high-end if they fit you perfectly, if they are well maintained, and if the details are in place. So consider having your key pieces, your essential outfits tailored. And here's a little bonus tip for you. Think about adding some eco-friendly clothes to your work essentials. Consider sustainability. Another super important tip is that you must always consider comfort when it comes to choosing your work essentials in creating your work wardrobe. Comfort is key. No matter how stylish an outfit is, if you're not comfortable in it, it's going to show. Think about it, you're going to be spending long hours in these clothes. So you want to make sure that whatever outfit you're picking, it fits well, It's not too tight and it's very comfortable. It's breathable. It allows you to move around easily. Choose fabrics that are soft, that are breathable, that allows your skin to breathe. They'll keep you feeling good all day long. And when it comes to shoes, don't underestimate the power of a comfortable pair. Wear shoes that give you support and are comfortable, that won't have your feet aching all day long if you have to be moving here and there. When you're comfortable, you not only feel good, you not only feel better, you also feel more confident. And that's the secret to nailing your work wardrobe. And at the end of the day, it's not just about the clothes, it's also about how you feel in them. Dressing well can boost your confidence and help you create a strong first impression. Remember that it's important for you to stay true to your personal style. Don't be afraid to infuse a bit of you into your outfits, whether it's through style, through color, through patterns, or accessories. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over some common mistakes to avoid. Don't overdress and don't underdress. Don't be overly dressed. And you don't want to be underdressed as well. You won't like yourself if you're underdressed. So you want to make sure that you find that sweet spot that fits the company's culture. Comfort is key. Confidence is important. Don't sacrifice that for the sake of style. Finally, pay attention to little detail and every detail. Make sure your clothes are well pressed, they are clean and well maintained. You don't want threads pulling out of your clothes. So you want to make sure that you take off threads that are pulling out or wool that are pulling out of your clothes. They are well maintained, cleaned, fresh, well pressed. Press your clothes is important. Don't wear a wrinkled outfit to your first day at work or an organization or a meeting or something. Your clothes must be pressed. It elevates your outfit and makes you look well put together, right? And it also shows self-discipline, that you regard yourself as well, self-respect. These little things do make a world of difference. So practice, keep at it till you get better, till you find your style. Remember that a well thought out wardrobe can make all the difference in how you present yourself and how you feel throughout the day. If you found this video helpful, you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Share to those that might benefit from it. And I would love to read from you. I would love to hear from you. So leave your thoughts in the comment section and take good care of yourself, because I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Enjoy this new journey. I'll see you next time. Bye.